This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cherry Foos. Investors, your wait is over. Permits pulled and renovations are complete. Already booking. Don't miss this investment opportunity. Discover the charm of this amazing turnkey duplex, which is an already established short-term rental with existing bookings, located in beautiful Indian Rocks Beach, where you can see the access to the stunning beach from the front yard. Each unit has 4 spacious, completely remodeled bedrooms, with 2 beautifully updated bathrooms, which can welcome 10 to 11 guests, or rent both to accommodate 20 people. A rare find and opportunity in this beach community. The home is located only 1.5 blocks from an incredibly soft, white sand beach. Upon entering these units, you will be captivated by the coastal vibe and top-notch cleanliness. 2 separated living areas have comfy seating, entertainment, and ceiling fans. The central great room includes a fully equipped kitchen, dining area and breakfast bar. 4 bedrooms can accommodate various sleeping arrangements, with the master bedroom boasting a king-sized bed, while the guest bedrooms offer queen and king-sized beds, bunk beds, and trundles. 2 full bathrooms with beautifully tiled showers and soaking tub ensure guest comfort. Both sides offer a private screened porch and amenities for a relaxing beachside experience, such as folding chairs, boogie boards, and beach carts. They also each offer a new jetted hot tub private to each unit. Full-size washer and dryers are conveniently located in the units, and both have new 2024 ultra-high efficiency mini-split HVAC systems. A new roof was installed in 2021. With projected numbers over 230,000 a year, and almost 100,000 in bookings already in place, it is the perfect investment for savvy investors. For more information, review the details.